muffins from Dr. Ecker with you. So I hope you would like to do it with me in case you know the recipe. So I already started by mistake, video problem as usual. So what I already put is 125 ml water and oil. Sunflower oil is recommended. And 75 ml milk, which is what, milk or water. Okay, so what I did is already poured the milk. So now what I want to do is with you pour the batter. Okay, and as you see, I have some scissors. So let's just cut this guy open. Yeah, cut it. Okay, this is right about enough. So now let's pour this batter. Okay. So next up, I'm going to put 2 eggs. Okay. That's enough. Now we can already go to the mixing. Okay, so I'm done with the making of the batter. Now it's time to mix it up, baby. So I'm using these type of things that will help. So I'm going to press it in here and just put the number on your one and then sorry about the sound, guys. So really irritate your neighbor or something. Let's stop it a bit to down. Let's get it soaked. And now you can see the batter. But look, like a tornado, it's in there. Just collecting a bit of the jam. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just okay. Let's just down. I know this could be a bit messy, but you should try it. I'll just get rid of these things over here. So what you're going to do is now fill the thing like the muffin batter. So like this, you have to take 2 spoons like that and fill the batter inside the muffin. So let's just speed things up. Okay, so what I did is fill all the cupcakes. So now we'll make the trip to the oven as if they like blow up, okay? So what I did is put these muffins in the oven for 20 minutes and 180 degrees. Okay? Okay guys. So as I said just now, okay. So already 2 minutes have passed and we have no change. So let's wait for another 2 minutes. So we waited 2 minutes. So it's really not happening yet. Let's wait till the mini-me's pop up. And let's wait for another 2 minutes or so, okay? Okay, so we waited for 2 more minutes. And you can see, you can already try to see them that they're about to start to form. Let's wait for another 2 minutes, okay? So we've waited 2 more minutes. We'll wait 2 more minutes and then we'll be already showing the last shot, okay? Okay, so I popped the cake for 20 minutes and I was testing it with a fork and like with this one over here. You can see I stabbed it with a fork, removed it, and if something sticks, then that means it's not cooked. If nothing sticks, then that means it's cooked. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please, begging you, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell IQ and leave a comment optional as always. Bye.